Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So one of my friends sent me this look that Olga Don, I believe that's how to pronounce her name. If it's wrong, I'm so sorry. But she created that look and I'm super like in love with it. I thought it was really cool, so I thought I would recreate it today. If you want to know how I did that, and not how I did these brows, because I just kind of did these when I was bored. I didn't film these, but I hope you like them. So if you want to know how I recreated this today, then keep on watching. So this look is not minimal, but it's at the same time minimal because she doesn't have anything on her lower lash line or really on her lid, really. It's just like the wing is just here, it is just the wing, that is it. So I'm going to add in a little bit of extra details to this just to make it unique aside from these eyebrows. But if you see me looking this way a lot, it is because I have the picture of Olga's look pulled up. So I just want to make sure I get all of the shaping and the angles correct. First, like usual, I'm going to take my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my M173 brush and just prime my lids and everywhere that we're going to put some shadow. Alright, we are primed and ready to go. Primed and ready to grind. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and a red eyeshadow. For that I'm going to use Licorice from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to map out the shape of the wing. Now I'm just going to fill this in with licorice. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to begin the shading. So on hers, the only parts that are bright red is the tops of each wing. So I'm going to try my best to fill in the rest of the areas with a darker red and then going in with black just to get in the finer details. So I'm going to just use another flat brush for this. So I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and take the shade Red Ochre on a Morphe M124 brush and then begin shading in this wing. It's kind of hard to explain, so I'm just going to do it and you can follow along if you are going to recreate this by visuals. Now I'm going to attempt to do this to the other side, and again, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm super proud of this. Let's just keep it going. Now I'm going to add some more depth by shading in certain areas with black. For that, I'm going to use Urban Decay's Blackout on that same M124 brush. And I'm just going to lightly apply this and build it up as I go. Things I did. That. You'll have no idea how proud I am of this. Well, now you do because I just told you. But now we are going to add in some highlights. She has a little bit of white highlights going through the wing, so I'm going to do the same. Get this black fallout away. I can never do that trick that other beauty gurus do where they take the brush and then hold it and then flick it away and it's gone. That doesn't work. It just kind of stays on my skin. So yeah, let's do some highlights. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics white concealer and a M250-1 brush. Alright, to make this a little easier, I'm going to use the M251 brush that I used to make my bats. I haven't cleaned it off, so there's still black lipstick on there. But I'm just going to pick up some white concealer, and since the brush is flat, it'll be easier. Okay, I added some lashes, now we're going to add some finishing detail. So on that M251 brush, I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Lip in the shade Red Rum and put that in my waterline. Alright, so we're pretty much done with the eyes for now, so let's go in and start with the face. First, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for foundation, like usual, going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral, but first I'm going to go around the wing with my M421 brush. Now I'm going to blend this out with my M439 brush. Now I'm going to lightly conceal the highest points of my face with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02. I'm going to blend this out with my M173 brush. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05 on my Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Now for contour, like usual, going in with my Morphe E4 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit in the shade Light Medium. I'm actually going to add a little bit of licorice into my contour as well, just to warm it up a little bit and make it all fit together with the look. Now for lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Liner and Liquid Lip in the shade Jakarta. I don't think I'm going to add any highlighter today, I'm just going to leave the look like this, so I'm going to do my hair and I will be right back with the finished look. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh my god, almost forgot. Oh my god, I almost completely forgot. If you know where that's from, if I leave this in here, then you're awesome. Like I said, I almost forgot. I'm going to zoom you in so we could do our lower lashes. I'm going to use a red mascara by ColourPop. It's Left on Red. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!